So our next project couldn't be here, so I will again just read what was submitted. This is Pollinator Paradise YXE. Greetings from Saskatoon, located on Treaty 6 territory and homeland of the Métis. We are honored and humbled to be able to live on this beautiful land. On behalf of Wild About Saskatoon and Pollinator Paradise YXE, thank you for this recognition award and congratulations to all recipients. Thank you for the marvelous work you all do. Pollinator Paradise YXE was initiated by Wild About Saskatoon in 2021 to encourage Saskatoon people to restore native plants into their city spaces, gardens, boulevards, public parks, alleyways, any place that plants can grow. Local native plants provide the best possible support for the hundreds of species of local native pollinators. In fact, they support the entire natural food web consisting of plants, insects, birds, and animals. Slide 2. We invite people to certify their native plantings as pollinator paradises by meeting set criteria, including growing at least 15 native flowering plants, ensuring nesting and wintering sites for pollinators, providing a water source, eliminating pesticides, and providing ongoing care. When people certify their gardens, they are eligible to receive our gorgeous Pollinator Paradise YXE sign to display on their site, helping to celebrate and promote the return of native plants. Slide 3. They can also join our community of native plant enthusiasts and receive notifications about garden tours and other opportunities, like sharing seeds and plants to meet like-minded people. To date, we have 49 paradises, including private residence, public parks, boulevard, gardens, educational sites, a restoration site, and a balcony garden. This year, we'll continue reaching out to local residents, community gardens, schools, and more. So congratulations to that project.